Hi everyone, if you have recently downloaded the Qwen app and wondering on how to start a new chat and start asking questions to the app, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start a new chat in the Qwen app. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Qwen app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, tap onto the plus sign option at the bottom, just right here, which is in the middle. Now tap on it. Now from this message box, you can simply start a new chat. Now ask whatever you want to ask to the Qwen app, just like this. And send it. And now you can see the answer has been given by the Qwen app. And this is how you can start a new chat in the Qwen app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.